Last month, Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus, SCG, took to social media to ask fans whether or not they should build a car capable of racing at the Nürburgring 24 hours or the Baja 1000. The question was amid a rendering that combined the looks of the 004 and Baja boot, which digital image is now close to became a true vehicle, albeit with a DIY twist. Referred to because the Paris to Dakar SCG 008004/mini boot, it had been inspired by the Porsche 959 rally cars, because the company's founder James Glickenhaus confirmed, and can be offered as a kit car. The idea behind the project is simple: those curious about it'll be ready to purchase the parts and assemble them in their garages. The engine won't be included, but it had been designed to pack a 2.2-liter Ecotec crate unit and a sedan transaxle. These are going to be offered directly through our web store. It'll not be an entire car. It'll be a kit of parts which will be purchased in installments, said Glickenhaus. The idea is fun car just like the beach buggy Steve drove in the Thomas Crown Affair, an off-road racer or a home-built kit car, with all components meeting requirements for NYS home-built/custom kit cars. As standard, the SCG Mini Boot should get two-wheel drive, but an all-wheel drive system might be on the choices list. This vehicle are going to be eligible for racing within the Dakar, Baja 1000 and other rallies. Pricing and other details are going to be announced in due course.